Hello guys, how are you today? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome. Today we are making fresh pasta. I should use the rolling pin to obtain the pasta sheets, but I'm going to use the pasta machine. Why? Because I remember when my dad brought the pasta machine home as a gift to my mom. She was a bit skeptical. But when she used it for the first time, she said, "It's fantastic. I can save a lot of time and effort. So I'm going to do like my mom." We have 00 flour and eggs. For every 100 grams of 00 flour, 1 egg. Now we got 400 grams of 00 flour and 4 eggs. Place the flour on a board. Make a well in the center and pour the eggs into it. Beat the eggs with a fork until smooth. Mix the eggs with the flour, incorporating a little at a time, until everything is combined. Now we begin to get our hands dirty. Once you've made your dough, you need to knead and work it with your hands for at least 10 minutes until smooth and silky. It's tough, but you don't need the gym. Then, wrap the dough in cling film and let it rest for at least half an hour before you use it. Take a lump of pasta dough and keep the rest wrapped in cling film. Dust your work surface with some flour and press the dough with your fingertips. Set the pasta machine at its widest setting and roll the lump of pasta dough through it. Fold the pasta and roll it through again. Repeat this process at least 3 times. Roll the dough through all the settings on the machine, from the widest down to around the narrowest. The thickness depends on the kind of pasta you are making. Today I made a bolognese sauce, so I'm going to make tagliatelle, and for this kind of pasta it needs to be thick. I stopped rolling at 5. Now we have the pasta sheets. You can make lasagne and cannelloni. To make tagliatelle, I'm going to use again the pasta machine. Did you enjoy this recipe? If so, hit the like button and subscribe. See you next time!